Welding technology is evolving rapidly. To keep up with the ever-changing technology, the apprenticeship standards now encompass a machine welding pathway in the General Welder Assessment Plan version 1.2. This EngEPA instructional video sets out where specific processes like orbital TIG or submerged arc welding fit into the new apprenticeship standards. As a welder or welding operator, qualifications are now built into the on-program training of apprentices and are required to be submitted as evidence via a portfolio gateway. Here's a quick breakdown of the terminology to help clarify. Welders are qualified against ISO 9606 or BS 4872. A welder holds and manipulates the electrode holder or welding torch by hand. As a welder, there are two variations. Firstly, manual welding is where the electrode holder or welding torch is manipulated by hand with the welder controlling the feed, speed and distances, and includes examples such as TIG and MMA. Secondly, partially mechanized welding, also referred to as semi-automatic. This is a manual operation. However, the equipment automatically controls one or more of the welding conditions, such as continual wire feed in processes like MIG, MAG and flux core. Welding operators are qualified under ISO 14732. A welding operator controls or adjusts any welding parameters for mechanized processes, where mechanical or electrical means maintain the welding conditions but can still be adjusted manually during the process. Examples of these processes are submerged arc welding or orbital TIG. For more details on how these changes can benefit your apprentices, reach out at info@engepa.co.uk.